would first of all like to thank you for coming. We are young carers from Wrecsam.
Let's introduce our team. I'm Lacey and I'm 17.
I'm Kayla and I'm 14.
I'm Tate and I'm 13.
I'm Elizabeth and I'm 11.
I'm Emily and I'm 12.
I'm Henry and I'm 13.
I'm Adam and I'm 12.
I'm Alice and I'm 14.
We're going to play a game.
If anyone has felt like they don't fit in, change places.
Anyone who plays a musical instrument, change places.
Change places. Anyone who has missed out or been late to school because they were too tired.
Change places. Anyone who's worried about someone when they have been at school. Change places. Anyone who likes chocolate.
Change places. Anyone who cares for somebody when they're at home who has a disability or is ill.
Young carers, on an average, 23 days of school, miss 23 days of school every year. That's more than a month total. Almost half of young carers at secondary school are persistently absent, meaning regular or often.
40% of young carers and young adult carers said caring always or usually affects how much time they can spend with their friends.
A young carer is someone aged under 18 who cares for a friend or a family member who, due to illness, disability, a mental health problem or an addiction, can't cope without their support. Older young carers are also known as young adult carers, and they may have different support needs to young carers.
This is my story. I look after my mum and my 4 siblings. At primary school, I used to get bullied by everyone and I'd have no friends. Joining the Young Carers Support Group has changed my life for the better. I've been able to make friends who understand and can help me through my difficult situations.
This is my story. I look after 6 family members, which due to this makes me miss a lot of school. I have struggled in school with completing education and making friends. Young carers gave me the opportunity to make a friendship group where I belonged. This also gave me the opportunity to build a community around me.
Grady recognises 1,500 young carers across Wrecsam, Conwy and Ddinbych in WCD Young Carers.
The census in 2021 identified 22,550 young carers and young adults carer and under 25 in Wales.
A 2018 BBC report suggested there could be as many as 1 in 5 young carers in each class.
As a group, we spoke about words that make us feel like we belong. Those words were: when I belong, I feel safe.
When I belong, I feel happy.
When I belong, I feel fantastic.
When I belong, I feel calm.
When I belong, I feel confident.
Where I belong, I feel good.
When I belong, I feel cheerful.
When I belong, I feel happy.
Our message today is to encourage you to listen and give more recognition for young carers so that that more young carers don't feel alone in their own journey. When we are listened to, we are understood. When we are understood, we feel happy. When we are happy, we smile. When we smile, our friends smile too. When we have friends, we feel we belong.